My name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We've got a gorgeous 56 Chevy Bel Air right here. Look at these colors, very classy. Body off frame restored. It's got a crate 350 motor, 3-speed overdrive, manual shift in there. Anyway, go to volocars.com. That's where you can read all the specs, study all the pictures, get the price. Not only in this one, but we have a few hundred collector cars all for sale at volocars.com. If you enjoy watching the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon and you will be notified as the new ones are posted. But right now, why don't you join me? Let's go for a spin in a 56 Bel Air. It is a genuine Bel Air. It's right in the VIN number, and it's the hardtop, which means it doesn't have the post. So this is a nice looking, very desirable two-door hardtop. The color is gorgeous. But first I want to show you the restoration. It has about 6,500 miles on the odometer. That was set to 0 when it was restored. Here's a bare rolling chassis. They did, again, take the body off the frame. Now, underneath the car is not, polished and glossy. I don't want you to get the wrong impression. It's all solid floors, new body bushings. It's the original manual shift 3-speed with the electric overdrive. That's kind of cool, kind of fun if you like driving your cars. Got a nice dual exhaust, I think glass pack mufflers, disc brakes up front. The shocks have been replaced. And the body, again, the colors are beautiful. It's a burgundy with like a champagne metallic, very rich looking, super glossy. It's impressive. You walk up to it, it's shiny. There are some imperfections. Here's a nick here. There's a decent sized chip on the door on the other side. It's not wavy, but it's not laser beam straight. I use that term a lot when you look down and it's like, laser beam straight like a piece of glass. Most people, I'm getting cautious because I want people to know what they're getting. It's not a wavy car. It looks beautiful to most people. And again, super glossy. The metal flake is laid out really nice. There is a chip right here and a hairline crack right across here. I don't know if they put a new cap on here. And there's some chips on the edge, probably from slamming the hood a little carelessly. The chrome is outstanding. All this chrome is like beautiful, like show quality chrome, the emblem, the bird, the grill, the trim, all this stuff. The stainless trim, all of it is polished out like chrome, even the base of the wiper, even the vent window pillar, all this trim, handles, mirrors, outstanding. This is all really, really nice, all the trim on the car. These are the shiniest 56 taillights I think I've seen. I don't know what it is, but they're just like gleaming. The bumpers re-chrome, new emblems, and a lot of you probably will enjoy seeing this. I sold a 56 Chevy once. A guy had to call and ask where to put gas in the car. He was so embarrassed at the gas station. But the body's real nice. There's no rust or damage, nothing like that. It shows really well. The rally wheels are painted this champagne color. Trim looks new. It's got spinners, got BFGoodrich tires. The glass is good original. Jambs are painted nice, the hardware is clean, the weather strips are new. The two-tone interior match the exterior, it's all pleated upholstery. Door panels match, the rear deck matches. It does have a new headliner. Right in the middle there's a small slit that they glued together. I think they cut the hole in the wrong place for the light. The dash is shiny like the outside, it just glistens. So the metal is painted, like this is painted glossy, and it looks like all the trim has been replaced. The lenses, gauges, all that's beautiful. It is a crate 350 motor. I checked the casting numbers. It's a crate GM 350. Runs smooth, you'll hear it in a second. Chromed intake, chrome alternator and bracket, timing chain cover, pulleys, a matched set of Chevrolet chrome valve covers and air cleaner. It's got an Edelbrock carb with electric choke. Has the stainless steel heater and radiator hose. The whole core support is chromed. Polished aluminum radiator with a giant chrome electric fan in front and the stock fan on the back side. Carpet's real nice, has matching embroidered Bel Air floor mats. Has a retro stereo. It's a manual 3-speed, so it has an old-style hot rodders vintage-style tachometer on the column, and it has a gauge cluster down below the dash. This is painted beautifully, the sides and under the trunk. The rubber's still like new. Has the original style rubber mat, but it's new. Spare tire, it has the custom cover. The steering wheel, the horn ring, all the trim is shiny. Yeah, all the trim is beautiful. The mirror, I fire it up for you. Seats feel real good too, nice and firm, comfortable. Oh, it's got a cam in it, I can hear it. Up under the dash, the firewall pad is new, the heater box looks replaced, the vent cables are new, the kick panels are reupholstered. This car is going to turn a lot of heads, get a lot of compliments. It's going to be fun shifting through those gears. I enjoy doing that. Comes with an assembly manual and some custom taillights if you wanted them with the bow tie emblem. So there you have it. Visit volocars.com. There are plenty of ways on there to get in touch with our salesman. I gave you my impression of the car. If you have any specific questions, they'll help you with all of that. They'll also help with the buying process as far as delivery and paperwork and financing. So visit volocars.com. If you enjoyed the video, which I hope you did, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. You'll be the first to see the next one. Thanks for watching.